Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing fine. So, today we are going to learn degree of comparison. Degree of comparison is mainly divided into positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Degree of comparison is divided into positive, comparative, superlative. So that the three degrees are positive, comparative, superlative. So the first one, positive. Positive means the adjective we are using for describing someone, person, or a thing. Like he is fast, the cat is slow, the girl is big, the ball is small. So we are describing about something or someone, is it? So that describing words are called adjectives that we have already learned, is it? We have been learning it from first standard onwards. Adjectives, describing words used to describe someone, that is describing words. The boy is tall. We are describing about the boy. How is the boy? Tall. So fast, slow, big, small, tall, beautiful, sweet, tasty, all these are positive degree. The normal words are called positive degree. Okay. See, the house is big. How is the house? It is big. Describing about the house. So that big is positive degree. The boy is fast on his cycle. How is the boy? He is fast. Fast is the positive degree. The girl is smart. How is the girl? How is she? She is smart. So these are positive degree. Next one, the second degree of comparison is comparative degree. Comparative degree means when we compare, in the name itself we can see comparative, comparing. We are comparing two things. When we compare one thing with the other, we use comparative degree. Okay, so comparative degree, this is when we compare two people or things to each other. When we compare two person or two things with each other, it is called comparative degree. We can see some examples. See, faster, slower, he is faster than me. Comparing about two people, is it? The frog is slower than the rabbit, comparing two animals. This building is bigger than that house. We are comparing two things. This plant is smaller than the tree. Then I am taller than my sister. So when we compare two things, we use comparative degree. So comparative degree is very easy. We will add ER. Fast, faster. Slow, slower. Big, bigger. Small, smaller. Tall, taller. So these are fast, slow, big, small, tall is what degree? Positive degree. And when we add ER, faster, slower, bigger, smaller, taller, when we add ER with these adjectives, it is called comparative degree. These are used to compare one person with the other or one thing with the other. That is comparative degree. Positive degree means the adjectives. The usual normal adjectives are called positive degree. Comparative degree means when the adjectives we get by adding ER. Okay, when we add ER with the word, that word is called comparative degree. Comparative degree we are using to compare two things or two persons. Understood? Positive, comparative. See, examples. The house is big, but my house is bigger. Comparing about two things. The house is big, but my house is bigger. Okay. The boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. Comparing about the two boys. Fast, faster. Understood? Big, bigger. We get comparative degree by adding ER. By adding ER with the word. Okay. Then some other words are there. We will get comparative by adding ER. But some words are there which is ending in UL. Which end in UL or which end in E. So in that case, we will get comparative by adding more with that, like painful, full. So it is not painfuller, it is more painful. Hopeful, when words are ending in full. Hopeful, more hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful. We will get comparative by adding more. By adding more. Expensive, it is not expensier. It is more expensive. Understood? When the words are ending in full or E, we will add more before that. We will add more to get comparative degree. For comparing two things or two person. Understood? Next, the third one we have seen positive, comparative we have seen, and the last one is superlative degree. That is comparing one person with the rest of the people or one thing with the rest of the things. One with all. Okay, comparing one with the rest. That is superlative, super, the high. The most strongest boy in the class. That means comparing one boy with the full class. Super. That is the biggest thing. Superlative. So how we will get superlative? We will get superlative by adding EST with the words. So faster will become fastest, slow will become slowest, big will become biggest, small will become smallest, tall will become tallest. He is the fastest boy in the class. He is the slowest boy in the class. She is the biggest girl in the class. She is the smallest girl in the class. The giraffe is the tallest animal. With animal. So when we compare one person with the rest of the things, we will use superlative degree. Superlative degree we will get by adding EST. By adding EST. And comparative degree we are using when we compare one person with another person. So we get comparative by adding ER. ER with the word. And positive means the normal words are positive. Fact, slow, big, small, tall is positive. Faster, slower, bigger, smaller, taller. These ER is called comparative degree. And fastest, slowest, biggest, smallest, tallest is the superlative degree. So these are the 3 degree of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. positive degree, the usual adjectives. Comparative degree, we will add er with the word, and superlative degree, we will get est. Then one more rule we have learned. What is it? What was that? When it ends in ful, full, we will get comparative degree by adding more. What we will add? More. And when it is ending in e, we will add more. Okay, now examples for superlative degree. He was the fastest in the bicycle race. So he is compared with the rest. In the bicycle race, how many people were there? He was the fastest. The biggest house. And there are many houses. From that, the biggest house on the block was for sale. Then she was the smartest girl in the class. Many girls were there, but she is the smartest girl. We are comparing one person with many. That is superlative. When we compare one person with many, it is superlative. When we compare one person with the other, only two. One person with the other, it is comparative degree. When we are describing about one person, it is positive degree. Like she is smart. She is smarter than her. She is the smartest girl in the class. Understood? It's very easy. You have to understand. Got it? How it is? Now, the same way. The words ending in ful, full, we will get comparative degree by adding more, and we will get superlative degree by adding most, 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 like painful, more painful, most painful, hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, flexible, ending in E, more flexible, most flexible. So, positive, comparative, superlative. When it ends in ful or if it ends in E, we will get the comparative by adding more, and we'll get the superlative by adding most. Understood? So that is positive, comparative, and superlative. Understood? See, the pencil. The pencil is long. We are describing about a thing. The pencil is long. So long is positive. The marker is longer than the pencil. We are comparing marker with the pencil. Got it? We are comparing two. We are comparing one thing with the other. So we use comparative degree. We get comparative degree by adding ER. By adding ER, we will get the comparative degree. So the ruler is the longest among the three. That is marker, pencil, ruler. Who is the longest? Ruler is the longest. So ruler is compared with the marker and pencil. Understood? With the whole. So it is superlative. EST. EST, superlative. Understood? Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Short, shorter, shortest. Long, longer, longest. Fast, faster, fastest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Young, younger, youngest. Understood? So that is about comparative degree. We have seen that there is 3 degree of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive is describing about a thing, what we use, like the girl is tall, the boy is short. Those words we use to describe a thing or a person is called positive degree. Comparative degree, we compare one person with the other. Usually we get comparative degree by adding er, but when the word is ending in ful, full or e, we will get the comparative by adding more, like more painful, more expensive, like that. That is comparative degree. Then we are having the last one, the biggest one, that is superlative degree. Superlative degree means we are comparing one person with many. When we compare one person with all the others, it is superlative degree. So we get the superlative by adding est. But for the words ending in full or the words ending in e, we will get the superlative by adding most, M-O-S-T, most beautiful, most painful, like that. Then more or most expensive. Understood? So that is all about degree of comparison. It is called degree of comparison. Okay, understood? So that's all for today. Thank you.